Throughout the early to mid 1900s, there were a series of devastating environmental incidences that were directly linked to environmental negligence. The first of these is the Cuyahoga River fire that was ignited from years of excessive chemical pollution. Remediation efforts were necessary to return the river to its natural form. More environmental tragedy occurred in Santa Barbara when President Johnson decided that the GDP was more important than the well-being of our wildlife, as he sold the fracking rights off the Californian coast. The results were tragic. These events led to large cleanup efforts that really shed light on how much human activity was having a negative impact in our world. The environmental revolution all began in Wisconsin, with most of the efforts at this very university. Gaylord Nelson was a big player in the environmental revolution, as the issues were very close to his heart from a very young age. Through his political success, he found himself in a position to really make a change on his one true passion, nature. He then fought to enact a series of movements to raise awareness about the status of the environment. Through his effort, the word spread like wildfire, and in 1970, Earth Week was birthed. People quickly began following suit as they heard about this revolution through media, press, and education. There was soon a nationwide camaraderie as people began to fight the battle against pollution and help save our home. One of the most important efforts was the creation of teach-ins, which spread environmental awareness to large colleges across the nation. Currently, air pollution and CO2 levels are at an all-time high. We do not need more tragedy to learn what needs to be done. We can reflect upon history and realize that environmental awareness needs to be spread. If the revolution can be reignited, our Earth can become more habitable for future generations, but the efforts begin with you. Here are suggestions on how a small effort made by each person can make a large difference. Ask yourself these questions, and if the answer to any of them is no, then the change can begin with you.